Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share today's project with you, a gorgeous rose in a pot made with heart patterns. This is perfect for beginners, super quick to make, and you can use it to add a touch of charm to your home decor, gifts, or even as a cute centerpiece. Let's get started. By the way, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, so you never miss out on fun, easy projects like this one. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know what colors you'd use for your rose, or if you have any questions along the way. For this project, I'm using light pink and dark pink cotton yarn, but you can use any colors you love. The best part? You can make this rose as big or as small as you want. It's totally customizable. You'll also need a 2.5mm crochet hook. All right, let's dive in. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Now, grab your yarn and hook, and let's make something beautiful together. We'll start by making a magic ring. Chain 3, then yarn over twice, and make 3 triple crochets into the ring. Next, make 4 double crochets into the ring. Then, make 1 triple crochet into the ring. After that, make 4 double crochets side by side. Now, make 3 triple crochets side by side. After the last triple crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Tighten the ring and you'll see the heart shape starting to form. In the first chain space, make 2 single crochets. Next, make 3 double crochets into the top of each of the 3 triple crochets from the previous row. This will give you a total of 9 double crochets. Continue by making 4 double crochets side by side. Then, make 3 double crochets into the top of each of the triple crochets from the previous row. Make another 4 double crochets side by side. Now, make 3 double crochets into the top of each of the 3 triple crochets from the previous row. This will give you another 9 double crochets. After the last double crochet, make 2 single crochets into the chain space. Slip stitch into the top of the slip stitch from the previous row to complete the second round. In the next round, make 2 single crochets into the top of each of the 2 single crochets from the previous row. Then, make 2 double crochets into the top of each of the 9 double crochets from the previous row. This will give you a total of 18 double crochets. Make 5 double crochets side by side. At the tip of the heart, where you made 3 double crochets earlier, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, make another double crochet, chain 1, and make 1 more double crochet. Make another 5 double crochets side by side. Next, make 2 double crochets into the top of each of the 9 double crochets from the previous row. This will give you another 18 double crochets. After the 18th double crochet, make 2 single crochets into the top of the 2 single crochets from the previous row. Slip stitch into the top of the slip stitch from the previous row, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Weave in the ends to hide them. And there you have it. Your heart pattern is complete. Now, following the same steps, make a total of 6 hearts, 3 in light pink and 3 in dark pink. Now let's move on to the pot. Using green yarn, start with a magic ring. Chain 3, then make 14 double crochets into the ring, including the starting chain. After the 14th double crochet, tighten the magic ring and slip stitch into the top of the first chain to complete the round. Chain 3. Then make 1 double crochet into the same space. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. Continue by making 2 double crochets into each of the 14 double crochets from the previous round. This will give you a total of 28 double crochets. Slip stitch into the top of the first chain to complete the round. Chain 3, then make 1 double crochet into the same space. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the following stitch, make 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern around to complete the third round, which will have 42 double crochets. Slip stitch into the top of the first chain to complete the round. Chain 3. This time, we're going to work in the back loops only for this round. This will create a nice little ridge. Make a double crochet stitch in the back loop only of each stitch all the way around from the third round. You'll still have a total of 42 double crochet stitches in this round. Slip stitch into the top of the first chain to complete the round. Now, we'll start building the sides of the pot. Chain 3, then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. For this round, we'll work double crochets in the back loops only, making 42 double crochets. The body of the pot will consist of 4 rounds, each with 42 double crochets. After completing the 4th round, slip stitch into the top of the first chain to finish. Now, let's add a decorative edge. In the same space, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Skip the next stitch and repeat this pattern around. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of the round. After the last decorative stitch, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Weave in the ends to hide them. And that's it. Your pot is complete. Now let's shape the hearts into roses. Start with the light pink hearts, then move on to the dark pink ones. Once you've shaped the roses, place them into the pot. And there you have it. A beautiful, heart-patterned rose in a pot. You can adjust the number of hearts if you like. I use 3 light pink and 3 dark pink, but you can make 4 or 5 of each. If you want a larger pot, you can add more rounds to the base. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed making this rose in a pot as much as I did. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what colors you used or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy crocheting and see you in the next video.